I think the government should have done more. I am a critic of the government otherwise. But today, the heat in the stadium alone shows that this has not become a Taj Mahal. So we need to do more. It's very good that major events are coming to South Goa, have been brought to South Goa. Otherwise, this sports infrastructure would be used for all other purposes, which are not sports in nature. So sporting events have to happen here. We have to support the sporting events, especially those which are taking Goa forward at the national level. And I think this tournament is one of them. So I congratulate the Goa Table Tennis Association for their organization, for a record entries that they have got. For a very well organized tournament. I think in the years to come, this new team is going to lead table tennis forward in Goa and in the country. All the best. Thank you very much.